Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's P99 here from myjri.com, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to restore and back up your phone, including your Cydia packages. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add Hackulous's repo, which I already have it, so I'm just going to do a rundown of it, how to get it. Cydia.hackulo.us, and once that's done, you hit add source. Then once you have it, you could go to Hackulous and go to AppSync for OS 3.1 if you're on a iPhone 3GS running 3.12. Basically just read the two of them and find out which one fits your phone. This is the one for my phone. And then you would go up here where it says modify and hit install. And that basically patches your apps so they get synced over to iTunes. Next, you want to go to Cydia search area and put in apt, there we go, AptBackup. And what this does is it backs up all your Cydia applications. Cydia Backup and Restore Solution. Okay, now you would hit install up where it says modify. AppSync works in the background, so you don't need to do anything for that. As for AptBackup, you want to open AptBackup up, and then you have two choices, backup or restore. Press backup. And after a few seconds, all your Cydia applications are backed up. So it's a very good time saver. So now that our apps are backed up, now we can move on to the next part. And let's get started here. First, I'm going to click on the restore and hit option click. Now I'm going to pick the restore IPSW, which is my firmware. Then I get this message. Click restore. Now you'll notice my phone will come on. Once the status bar makes it across to the other side, your phone will be back to the original software. Alright, so now my phone's going to restart. Now you get this message on your screen for an update to the carrier settings. That's absolutely fine to do. So I'll click that. Your carrier settings were updated successfully. So right now, if I go in, edit home screen, unjailbroken right now, it's just completely stock. So now I'm going to go into Safari. I'm going to type Black Ra1n. And now Blackra1n.com will open up with a GeoHots logo. And know that it's www.Blackra1n.com. The I is a 1. You'll click either Windows or Mac to download it for your computer. And once you download it, you just click the Black Ra1n emblem and then click Make It Rain. After you hit Make It Rain, it'll go into recovery mode. An iTunes message pops up. You could just get rid of that. You could actually close iTunes. You get this message right here. Enjoy your jailbroken iPhone. And it says that if you'd like to, you could donate, which it's a great program. It's easy to jailbreak. It only takes, maybe a few minutes. And that's it. So on that basis, I'm going to donate the GeoHot later. Now it says done, wait for reboot. And that's it. Okay, so now our jailbreak is done. The phone is now jailbroken. Now you see we have our Black Ra1n icon. Open that up. Say loading available installers. First I'm going to do Black Snow and unlock my phone. When you unlock your phone, it could be used along with T-Mobile also instead of just AT&T. Okay, there we go. Thank you for using Black Snow by GeoHot. Blah 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 blah. If you'd like to donate, go ahead and do so. So you're just going to hit close now. You'll see now up top of your phone says searching, and that's because it resets the phone. Okay, now I'm going to go back into Black Ra1n and install Cydia. Okay, so Cydia's done installing and my phone's respringing. Now I have Cydia. And you're going to hit user, graphical only. Now this message is going to come up and it's going to ask you if you want to do an essential upgrade, which yes you do. So do the complete upgrade so that you can make sure that your Cydia is all up to par. Go down to manage, sources, edit, add, Cydia .HACKULO.US. Source warning, add anyway. App sync isn't bad at all. It allows you to back up apps from Cydia. Okay, now that we have Hackulous, we want to go to AppSync. AppSync patches installed files on your device and allows them to sync with iTunes. So now that I have AppSync back on my phone, I could do my restore and restore my files, and it'll bring back other files that wouldn't normally come back on my phone. So now you get a message that says set up your iPhone, and it'll say restore from whatever backup that you already had. And if you had your files encrypted, now it'll ask you for the password to unlock your backup file. Okay, and we're finally done here. Time to move on to the next step. I'm going to go over here to AptBackup. And once it opens, there'll be two buttons on the bottom, one that says backup and one says that restore. I'm going to hit restore. Now what this is doing is it's going through a list of all my Cydia applications and it's installing all of them. Okay, now the phone is shut off and it started the reboot. It just got done reinstalling all my Cydia packages. And there we go. My theme's back on my phone. I'm going to have to do some light organizing, but at least I know all my applications and all my Cydia applications are back. And that was using AptBackup and AppSync for OS 3.1. Alright guys, thank you for your time. I hope the video helped you on some type of way. And whenever you have to restore, if you need to, just come back to this video and I'll take you through it all over again. P99 signing off.